Introducing the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, a power rear cargo door, and a split folding rear seat. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.